Good morning, everyone. Due to some technical glitch, there is video which I have uploaded was not appropriate. So I am recording this now. Today's topic is why do elements have different symbols? You have noticed that some elements have symbols not started from their first letter. Why it has happened? We'll discuss in this video. So before starting this video, I want to ask a few questions that it means who name the scientist who given the first representation of these elements. So if you know answer, you can comment it. I'm going to give answer also. John Dalton is the name of scientist who given the first idea about the symbol of elements, and the modern symbol technique which we are using right now, it is given by Berzelius. So these two, it means name of scientists who contributed in the field of naming elements. If I ask you the next question, it means which system or which organization is contributing or reorganizing the symbol name pattern. So it is the name of organization, that is IUPAC. It is IUPAC. It is the name of organization which is working for the naming of organic as well as inorganic elements name, and obviously compound also. So its full form would be International Union for, it means Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is the organization which is working for the naming pattern of the elements as well as the compounds. So now let us come to the point that why do elements have different symbols? For different symbols, it means mentioned that to avoid repetition, just think that if the name is started with the help of always C, then how can you recognize that whether the element is carbon, cobalt, copper or calcium? So they have, it means must be different symbols, so we can recognize and we can, it means also learn their physical as well as different properties. So it is very important to have different symbols to unique, it means identity. The elements get the unique identity by helping their unique symbols. Generally, two symbols are used. If the, it means first letter is started, just like the carbon, it is started only one letter, it means C. Meanwhile, the other elements which is started from the C, it means letter, it is given the another important letter. For example, CO for cobalt, Cu for copper, Ca for calcium. So it is the different names which is taken, almost the two symbols used there. The next is some also name which is not started from the first letter. It is basically taken from the Latin and Greek words. So today we are going to learn those words which are not started from their first letter. They are basically taken from the Greek or Latin words. So let's start. The first name which we are talking about, that is sodium. Yes, sodium has different symbols. It is not started from S or SO. Basically it is started from Na. So sodium has symbol Na. Why its symbol is Na? Because it is taken from the word natrium or natrium. Natrium is a word which it means derived the word, it means sodium. Basically natrium is a word that means nitron or sodium carbonate. Basically sodium carbonate is washing soda which is used in detergent. Washing soda, yes, sodium carbonate is washing soda and it is used in obviously detergent, and its chemical symbol, if you know, that means Na2CO3. Yes, it is the chemical symbol of sodium carbonate. So basically sodium word is taken from Greek language nitron sub and nitron word, and which is derived the word, it means natrium. And natrium means initially sodium carbonate. Basically sodium carbonate is washing soda and its chemical symbol is Na2CO3. And it is very important that you know, that you must know every element symbols and its atomic number also. So sodium has atomic number 11 and the symbol is Na. We have discussed it. Now let's move to the another, that means the potassium. Potassium word, if I ask you that what is its atomic number, then it will be 19 and its symbol is capital K. Look the word, it is started from P but its symbol is K. Why it is so different? Because it is taken from the word calcium. Calcium means calcined ashes. What does it mean? Calcined ashes means when tree and plants are burnt, their ashes. Ashes words is in Hindi is rakh. When plants are it means burnt, their leftover contain the potassium. So it means initially recognized as calcined ashes. Later it is named on the same word, that means calcium. So calcium is basically nothing but the ashes which is it means get after the burning of trees. So if you it means learned about the it means jhum agriculture or shifting agriculture, there where the same practices happened. It means trees are burnt first and they are cleaned and their ashes contain potassium. That is why the it means soil contains the potassium like minerals initially. So farmers can practice the agriculture for almost 5 years very easily. But it is now not it means more practiced because the settle agriculture is right now practiced. It was initially practiced by tribal groups and also some places of northeastern states like Assam, Tripura. There were also these it means agriculture as it means going on. The next symbol is we are going to learn about iron and it is taken from the word ferrum. Ferrum has literal meaning iron or sword. Sword means talwar. So it is the yes iron. Initially this word is means the iron or sword. So we are also it means using it for the it means various artillery and for weapon making purpose, and its atomic number is basically 26. If I ask you the which element was first discovered, then your answer will be the next, means copper. The first element which was introduced to the human history was copper, and it is basically named after the Cyprus Island. Yes, the Cyprus Island where the copper reserves was initially found abundant. It means more amount of it means copper ore was it means found there. That is why the named on this island, it means Cyprus Island, basically derived this word, it means cuprum. If you notice the word copper, it is not started in symbol as C or Cu, but it is started Cu because it is taken from the word cuprum and its atomic number is basically 29. And the fact which I have given you, the first element that was introduced in the human history was copper. So if you have it means studied about it, just like Chalcolithic age where the copper age is also called, it means the copper was it means most abundantly used as a tool to making in that time. The next element which we are going to learn, that is tin, and tin has the atomic number 50 and its symbol is Sn. Its Sn symbol is its meaning is stannum, and it can be also it means convey the meaning just like stack dripping. It means something which is dropped down very fastly. So if we notice that tin has the property that its temperature is also down very rapidly, and it means given this name because of the minerals which were obtaining in that time was eaten away by the tin. So the tin was it means getting it means towards the other it means minerals or ores. That is why its name was it means used as a stack dripping, means something which is reducing its quality. That is why the tin has the stannum. It means its original name and its symbol is taken from this word. So if you notice that tin is not has symbol starting with T, it is started with Sn. Okay, so next symbol we are going to learn, that is antimony. Antimony has symbol Sb. It is not start from A. So its atomic number is 51. Its symbol is Sb. Why its symbol is Sb? Because stbium is the word from which it is taken from. Stbium in the Greek word, in a Greek language, it is initially taken as stibi. Stibi means eye paint. Actually, Egyptians were using stibium as cosmetic item in that time. That is why it is initially taken as cosmetic, or you can say that the ornamental, not, but cosmetic items is initially its origin word. That is why the antimony has the symbol Sb. So if we repeat it, antimony has symbol Sb because of the stibium word. Stibium word means the eye paint. Why it means stibium word is used here? It is basically used for cosmetic items by Egyptians, and it is also right now using in the cosmetic items. The next one is tungsten. Tungsten is basically used in electric bulbs filament. So if you notice that electric bulbs filament has which element, then your answer would be obviously tungsten. So tungsten is symbol should be start from T, but it is not started from T. It is basically started from capital W. Why? Because it is the word that is wolfram. Wolfram is the word which is it means taken the word tungsten. Wolfram means heavy metal. It means wolfram is the word which is taken from the Switzerland's language. It means Swedish language. That means and its literal meaning is heavy metal. Actually, the it means tungsten is the 7th heaviest metal in the periodic table. So due to its heaviness, its name is taken, or its name is rooted, and its atomic number is 74. So obviously you may remember it, that tungsten is used in electric bulbs filament, and its name is wolfram, and its symbol is W, and its atomic number is 74. And why the wolfram is name is given? Because wolfram word in the Swedish language means heavy metal, and it is obviously 7th heaviest metal in the nature. Yeah, some scam is happening right now, a little bit. Okay, it is now right now arranged. The next element which is we are going to learn, that is gold. Gold it is not started obviously G, it is started with AU. So AU is the word, AU is symbol for gold. And why it is given AU? Because it is aurum, the word by which the gold is given name, and aurum means it is yellow. It means yellow appearance. If you notice that gold has which it means color, obviously golden color you may notice, and golden color is basically the yellow appearance, and gold has AU symbol because of the aurum word, and aurum means yellow. Its atomic number is basically 79. And where does the gold is used? Obviously you may say that the ornamental things we are making, it means jewelry we are making from the gold and gold is also known as noble metal because of its it means inertness. It is not reacting too much faster as the potassium or sodium does. The next is mercury. Where do mercury used? Obviously you know that it is used in thermometer, and it is the only it means metal, liquid metal it is also called. It is the only metal which is found liquid state at room temperature, and its symbol is Hg. Its atomic number is 80. So mercury is not started with M or Me. It is started, its symbol is Hg. Why? Because the word which is it is rooted, that is hydrargyrum. Hydrargyrum has the two it means word. You may it means split the word into hydra and xyrum. Hydra means basically water, and xyrum means the appearance like silver. That is why mercury is known as living silver, quicksilver, or liquid silver also. If you it means powered out some it means mercury on surface, you may notice that it is look like water. It means try to it means flow like water, and its appearance will be the shiny, it means like silver. That is why it is known as liquid silver also. So we have learned a lot of it means facts related to mercury. The next is lead. Lead basically its atomic number is 82 and its symbol is Pb. Why Pb? Because it is the word plumbum. which it is rooted or derived. And plumbum means what? Basically, lead was initially used in fitting the water pipe. So water pipe, who it means fix it, it is fixed by plumbers. So while the plumbing does this work, it means lead was initially used in fixing the water pipe by plumbers. That is why it means name is rooted as plumbing. Obviously you can remember that lead has symbol Pb because it is used in plumbing or fixing the water pipes. That is why its name is the word which is it means taken from the plumbum, and its symbol is Pb. The only one symbol which we are living right now, that is silver and silver has atomic number 47, and it's the name which is taken from the argentum. Argentum means shininess. If you notice that silver is which color, obviously you can say that silvery color, and silvery is nothing more but it is whitish or shiny. It means shiny is also used in science as a luster. It is the property of metals which is it is possessed. Obviously silver is also metals. And about the quick fact about the silver, it is the best conductor ever. It can conduct electricity more, it means faster than others. It is the best conductor is silver, but it is not used in wire because of its price as well as its melting point. If the electricity will flow through the silver, it will melt down very easily, and its cost is also too much high, so we can't afford for wire as silver. So these were the it means few confusing symbols which we have learnt, and the it means most important term, that the last question which we should it means talk right now, which symbol is representing here. Obviously you can send answer here, and this answer will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.